Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am sorry we have not been live for some time. As you guys know, I live in the UK. The weather is always pretty bad, but as we head into the later time of April, the weather is starting to improve. As you guys can see, we're starting to get some clear skies over here. We're switching up the channel a little bit more as well. I'm going to try and interact with you guys a little bit more and try and show you guys what's going on, not just showing the footage, but trying to let you know the process and how we do this stuff, so potentially you guys can go out and do this stuff for yourselves. So this year we have got some new equipment. I'm going to show you guys what we're working with. We're still waiting on some certain bits which I will show you guys in just a moment, but currently we are using the Nikon P1100, which is just here. We have a laptop there for the infrared, which is on this security camera here. We use this as the spotter. You guys can see it's on a dual bracket, as you can see there. It's the dual bracket and it's on, and that goes to the laptop over there. So as you can potentially probably see there's a pylon. I've tried to show you guys. We can zoom in 125 optical zoom on the P1100. We have the infrared set to 6. So what we do is we scan the atmosphere on here. I pay attention to here, and we're looking for glowing objects around the area. We've been potentially using certain methods to attract these anomalous objects that are in the atmosphere. I will be doing more often as well, showing you guys where we're trying to attract these objects. You guys seen the pylon before, which is just here in the sky. We normally ask just by the wires just above there, the top 2 wires. So I want you guys to pay close attention to that area, because that's where we'll be doing the mirror signaling and summoning. Now they don't always appear there, but we're going to be trying to get them to come to that part of the sky a lot. You just want to send mirror signals to the atmosphere. Just want to flash. You can probably see the flash on the thing there, and flash into the atmosphere like this, into one spot into the sky. So here I was scanning in the IR spectrum and looking at the laptop, and I noticed this small shimmering light in the atmosphere. So this is the IR footage. I have sped it up now so you guys can see its flight path, and as you can see, it's in the mirror signal portion of the sky that we were mentioning on the video before. And now I'm going to show you some of the footage that we captured on the P1100 going forwards. Let's see if I can zoom out dead quick and show you. Everywhere I showed you guys where we flashing with a mirror. Oh, exactly there. See the pylons and the wires I told you guys to keep an eye on? It's exactly there. It's stationary now. Not the full 3000mm as well. So we're not going to get any better than that, unfortunately. Hopefully we get some more that can come a little bit closer. If it's there, we'll keep with it. So unfortunately this object was really high up in the atmosphere. It was really difficult to record. I couldn't even see it with the naked eye. Again, it was all due down to the IR spot on this one. Again, 3000mm we were zoomed in, and it still just looks like a small little speck of light. You can see it does have some form of tether, that it was rotating and spinning, consistent spinning, and had elements of flaring. Interesting object though. It was in the area we were doing the mirror signaling. So that's what we have for today. Hopefully we have some more footage coming up shortly. I believe you with a little clip of the moon. The moon was out in the daytime. You guys can see the optical zoom that I have on the P1100, just to get an idea of how far these objects can be sometimes. Yeah, so if you do like today's footage, guys, don't forget to drop a like, follow, and yeah, subscribe for more. It's good to be back as well. It's good to be back. I hope everyone's keeping well, and we'll see you shortly. Peace.